In addition to hearing from the usual mobile developers about the enhanced hardware and software capabilities during Apple's Tuesday iPhone 15 launch event, we also learned that a number of recent top-tier console games, including the Resident Evil 4 remake, Resident Evil Village, and Death Stranding, are coming to the iPhone. The gap between the iPhone and specialized handheld gaming devices, such as the Steam Deck launched more recently, has mostly been theoretical, and with the 15 Pro, it is collapsing even further.